Welcome to this video on maritime safety, specifically focusing on the foundational standards for shipboard electrical systems. We will explore the Indian standards that govern these essential installations. Safety at sea is paramount. These standards integrate international requirements, such as the SOLAS Convention, to create a comprehensive framework followed by ship owners and builders alike. The standards cover the entire electrical life cycle. This includes general safety requirements, system design, equipment specifications, installation and testing procedures, and specialized features. These rules apply to both alternating current and direct current systems. Specifically, they cover electrical systems operating at voltages up to and including 1,000 volts. Marine environments are severe. To ensure compliance, builders must use strong, durable materials that are flame retardant and moisture resistant to survive corrosive atmospheres and extreme sea temperatures. The standard allows for flexibility. If an alternative material or apparatus is proposed, it may be accepted by inspectors, provided it can be proven equally effective and reliable. Precision is critical. Engineers must calculate test values and round them according to specific standards to ensure the final compliant values meet all required specifications. To prevent dangerous misunderstandings, the standard establishes exact, official definitions for key vocabulary, which must be used by engineers across all parts of a ship's electrical system. Essential services are critical for a ship's operation. These include systems for navigation, steering, and maneuvering, all of which are vital for ensuring the safety of human life at sea. Accessible devices present touch hazards if they lack proper insulation or guarding. It is important that these devices are protected to prevent inadvertent contact or dangerous proximity. The ship's metal hull provides the earth mass. Solidly earthed connections are essential for safety, as they help discharge electrical energy immediately without the use of fuses or switches. In summary, these general provisions set the foundation for maritime electrical safety through strict scopes, tough materials, allowed flexibility, and standardized technical terminology.